Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of sodium bicarbonate, also known as baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate is also known as baking soda. This versatile compound is a staple in our household worldwide. What are the chemical properties of sodium bicarbonate? Sodium bicarbonate has the chemical formula NaHCO3. It's composed of sodium, hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen. This white crystalline product is slightly alkaline and soluble in water. What are the uses and applications of sodium bicarbonate? It is also called as baking soda. It is best known for its role in the kitchen. As a leavening agent, it helps rough rise by producing carbon dioxide gas when mixed with an acid, but its uses extend for behind baking. Uses and applications. In cleaning, it acts as a mild abrasive and neutralizer, making it perfect for scrubbing surfaces and deodorizing spaces. Medically, sodium carbonate is used as an antacid to relieve heartburn and indigestion. How it works? So, how does sodium carbon bicarbonate work? When it reacts with acid, it produces carbon dioxide gas, which is a key to leavening action in baking. Additionally, its alkaline nature allows it to neutralize acids, making it an effective pH buffer. Safety and storage. While sodium bicarbonate is non-toxic, it's important to use as a directed. Always store it in a cool, dry place to maintain its effectiveness. Fun facts and conclusion. Did you know that the baking soda is used as a fun science experiments like creating a volcano eruptions? It's a great way to illustrate chemical reaction to kids. These are the important facts about sodium bicarbonate. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more science insights. Thank you.